Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll down to access apps. Then tap on Manage Apps and select those three dots at the top right corner. Finally, tap on Default Apps. Now just tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage and click on your new downloaded app to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!